Hello friends, in this video I will show how to add caption to pictures in Microsoft Word. So open Microsoft Word, insert your picture, now right click on picture and format picture. Now double click on picture. So here you will see picture format and this is the picture. Now select your picture, click on reference. Here click on insert caption. Label your picture or object. Once you added a caption, you can reference your object anywhere in your document by inserting a cross reference. Click here. In figure 1, remove. Now type your text or caption here. In label, select figure, position above selected item or below. Also guys, you can add a new label. Then click on OK. So now we have this caption. You can remove this figure 1 text. Firstly, make more changes. So in the home tab, increase the size, color or style, and remove figure 1. Similarly, you can add more caption, insert reference, insert caption, and type your second caption. Same, click on OK. And make changes here. Similarly, remove figure 1. And a similar way you can insert caption in table. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.